Florida Crystals is a vertically integrated farm-to-table sugarcane company based in West Palm Beach, Florida. We are better recognized for our brands of Domino Sugar on the east coast of the U.S., C&H Sugar on the west coast, Redpath in Canada, Tate & Lyle Sugars in the UK, and Sedul in Portugal.
Florida Crystals is the first US brand to earn the distinctive regenerative organic certified status, a process that not only regenerates the land but improves it using a series of technologies that regenerates the soil and the environment around it. AWS's profile for sustainability in our industry made it the perfect partnership.
We realized that we had an opportunity or a need to move our SAP environment from our current private cloud to a pure public cloud. So it was a natural fit to pick both AWS and Lemongrass for the solution to our need. The execution of the project with Lemongrass really had three phases. The first phase was to set up a landing zone in the AWS structure. We proved out that the solution was viable by migrating our development SAP environments to that landscape. The next was migrating our S/4HANA global SAP system to Lemongrass, in addition to our EWM warehousing system, our OpenText system, as well as our BW on HANA system. Lemongrass was able to successfully migrate that over a 36-hour weekend that minimized our downtime and got us back up and running quickly.
Over the last 12 months, we have not only migrated away from our incumbent provider, but we've consolidated those three environments into one.
The ability to react quickly to situations in our production environment has allowed our business to continue with minimal downtime. This, in the end, is what is important because we're able to achieve our service excellence goals to our end customers.